welcome to my channel. I'll be showing you how I make my Concha hot chocolate bombs. These have been very popular on my Instagram. If you like, you can check out my Instagram. It's at Diala Treats, same as my name on here. I made these using different colored candy melts in the colors of Thanksgiving. They are going to be featured on my Thanksgiving box. That's why I made them this color. Once all the color candy melts set, I added the regular milk chocolate. Then I flipped my mold over so I could get rid of the excess chocolate and there wouldn't be a pool of chocolate at the bottom. Once that's set, I added my second coat of the milk chocolate and let that set. Once I knew that my chocolate was set, I carefully took them out of the mold. Really carefully, because it's super easy to break these when you're taking them out. And I don't know if it's just me, but just taking them out and they look so pretty, I get so happy. It's just me, I guess, but look at how pretty they come out of the mold. Once they're out of the mold, I add the cocoa powder to each one and then add the mini marshmallows. I wanted to use abuelita hot chocolate for these, but I didn't have it at the time, so I just used milk chocolate. To me, the easiest way to close the chocolate bombs is to use a really hot plate. I usually just heat mine up in the microwave for about 2 minutes. I place 1/2 of the chocolate bomb on the plate and then place it on the other half. They set pretty quickly after you pair them together, so pretty much right away after you close them together, you can go ahead and drop them in your hot milk and enjoy them.